Hello everyone. Today I am going to make pipe cleaner Christmas theme heart shape hairpin. Okay, you all can follow the steps. Follow each step. See how I am doing it. So this is green color pipe cleaner and I have made a heart of this. Now you can just follow this step and do it stepwise order. So green color part is almost done. We give the shape for that and then cut this properly. This is done. Next, let us use a white color pipe cleaner. Just follow the steps. Use a glue gun. Stick it. Red color. Same way you all have to do the red color that way you all have done. I have showed it how I have done the green one that way. Same way. Now this is the last part. Just follow the steps. This you all have to stick it there. Using a glue gun, stick it. Now cut it. Extra part you all have to cut, and then the final part is the hair pin. So finally we are done with this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends.